Hi, writers. Okay, today we are doing session 11 of our literary essay unit, and we are talking about planning the author's craft essay. Now, we are getting ready to write our giver essay, and I chose for you that I wanted your focus to be on symbolism. But when writing an author's craft essay, you need to pause and plan how to craft your essay and how it will go. And then by doing this, you'll choose whether to focus deeply on one craft move, like we are focusing on symbolism for the giver, or to instead analyze a few that you see in the text. And then we're going to start writing. For if you look at the chart that I have displaying right here, we talked about, first of all, that we talked about making a claim. And for the giver, we're focusing deeply on one craft move, which is symbolism, to just show the deeper meaning of emotions in the giver. And so, if we can use transitions like in the beginning, the author used symbolism, or in the middle, symbolism was used, or throughout in the end, and there's different transitions you can use, but we're talking about symbolism in all three of our body paragraphs. And we're just really elaborating on how that symbolism was used throughout the story and what the purpose was. Why did that author use symbolism throughout the story? Now, another way we could do it is to focus on three different craft moves that served one purpose. So, in All Summer in a Day, Ray Bradbury uses symbolism, repetition, and descriptive language to show the children's need for freedom. So what we would do then, if you look down at claim 2, we list the different craft moves and what the purpose was, and then we talk about in one paragraph we talk about how he used symbolism to express the children's need for freedom. And then the next body paragraph we talk about how he used descriptive language to show the children's need for freedom. And then the third one, we talk about how he utilized repetition as a craft move to show the children's need for freedom. So, I don't want you to think with an author's craft essay you just have to focus on one craft move by the author. You can discuss three um, or several different ones that you want to focus on and tie it together with the purpose of those moves. So I look forward to reading your writing, and make sure with the author or with I'm sorry, I apologize, with the essay on the giver that you really dig deep onto the use of symbolism that the author used throughout the story. Okay, get writing.